it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am recreating KathleenLights makeup tutorial using her Dream Street palette. This is her collab with COLOURPOP. I love the packaging, it's so pretty, you know. I love rose gold. I love how like in the back there's all the names for all the eyeshadows. And this is how it looks. I've had this palette for a while and I think it's time to do something with it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on my post notifications. In her makeup tutorial, she already did her eyebrows and primed her eyes off camera, so I did that as well. So yeah, let's get started. So the first color she picked, she used Magical for her entire lid, entire crease. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so now she's using Potion, this color, and just from the outside increase, just like building the color.
And I'm also dragging this color into my crease while I'm
dragging it into the crease. She's going back with Magical and just like blending out the harsh lines and just like going back and forth with these two shades. Harsh lines right here.
So going back into Potion, I'm just building up that color, and yeah, it's a lot of blending as usual.
And then going back to Potion, just going back and forth with these two colors. And then going back to Magical. I think I'm pretty much done with that two colors and just like blending it back and forth. Now she said to use Owlfish, this really dark color, and just like apply it on the outer corner, like right here. Darken it. Ooh, that's really dark. Just the outer corner. Right here. Going back in with Magical and just like blend out the harsh lines again. Let's see. That's definitely needed because I put a little bit too much. And then she used glitter glue to apply the shimmery color, but since I don't have glitter glue, I'm just going to wet my brush. Okay. And digging into the shimmery color Stardust. Just gonna dip it in and apply on the inner corner right here. Oh, that's so pretty. So shiny. I love it. It's so shiny. More. I love how shiny it is. And then she went back in with Owlfish, this really dark chocolate color, and just like emphasize it a little bit more right here at the outer corners. And then she went in with just a tiny little bit of this red color, Spark, and just a little bit, she said, because it can be really pink really fast. And then she applied it on the outer corner to add a little bit of warmth. And then she uses Moony, this shiny color, to highlight the brow bones. Okay, so I guess the eyeshadows are all done and she is doing her eyeliners now. I usually just pick the darkest color, use it as my eyeliners, but today since she's using the gel eyeliner, I'm going to do that as well. She's using the black one. Should I use the black one or the brown one? I guess I'll use the black one too, just for this video. She's using Anastasia. I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown's because I don't have the Anastasia one. And okay, let's see. I haven't used this in a very long time.
And I did the best I could at a wing liner.
Okay, she's doing a wing liner. How's that? My eyeliners are on. Let's see what's next.
Just popped on a lot. I really do think this look does need a wing liner though. I mean, it doesn't need it, but I think it looks...
Alright, so she just went ahead and like prime her face and apply foundation and finish the rest of the makeup. I'm going to use MAC's Pro Longwear Foundation. Well, this foundation is super light on me right now because I got super tan. I really got super tan recently. Plus, my face is always a lot lighter than my other parts of my body because whenever I go out, I always put sunscreen on my face, but not anywhere else. Oh, sometimes if I remember, I put it on my neck. So like even without makeup, my face is like 2 shades lighter than my body. But that's okay. Like I always say, you can fix the color with bronzer if it's too light. So I'm not worried about that. And for concealer, I'm going to use ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Light 18. Just pop it over here. To set my face, I am using Laura Mercier's translucent powder and just apply it here. You know what's interesting is that I usually do my face first before I move on to eyeshadow, but because I'm following her, she does her eyeshadows first and then do the face, which I think it's not a bad idea because it kind of clings out underneath your eyes. So that's nice. Now she's gonna go back in with Magical and to pull it all over the waterline. And then go back in with the color Potion and just to be more precise on the waterline. And then go back in with the Elfish, the chocolate color, and just apply on the outer corner just to, you know, like to mimic. So it's kind of like the same as the top.
Eyeliner to my waterline. This is the Cosmetics Illustrative Eyeliner in the shade Black. And then I'm going to pop on Moony on my inner corners.
And then eyeliners on the waterline. I don't usually do that. That's a lot of eyeliners than I normally would do. This is with the eyeliners at the waterline. I think I like it without it more. For the sake of this video, we're going to follow her. Apply Moony. Remember we used this color to highlight the brow bones, and now we're going to pop it on the inner corners. Just gonna use my finger, I think. It's the easiest way. Okay. What else? Okay, now she is doing falsies. I'm not going to do falsies just because it's too much work for me to put on falsies. I'm just going to use Lancôme's booster before I apply my mascara to, you know, make it longer and fuller. And just wait for it to dry a little. For my mascara, I'm going to use MAC's Extended Play Lash as usual. I put on my mascara off camera. Now I'm going to bronze my face. This is important because my face is too white right now. I'm using my Physicians Formula's Bronze Booster. to make this 3D look, you have to contour your nose. For blush, I'm going to use Tarte Exposed. I haven't used this in a very long time. To highlight my face, I am using my BECCA highlight. For the lips, I don't have what she's using, so I'm just going to create my own. Alright, she's using kind of like a brownish lip color. I'm just gonna mix whatever I have and hopefully it will look similar to her color. This is from L'Oreal. This is not dark enough. I do have a super dark brown. Very brown. Let's see if this is really brown. Okay, hopefully this will do. Oh, but then when I wipe it, it's kind of like red. I don't understand. Oh, see. You guys, despite how brown it looks, this color turned out to be more like a wine color. I've had this for a very long time, but I don't really use it. Still not brown. Whatever. Our main point is on the eyeshadows, because that's her palette. I love her. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. It's actually a lot smoother than I expected because I thought it's gonna be hard to do her look. I feel like she's like really professional with makeup, and as for me, it's just for fun. If you have any suggestions on whose makeup tutorial I should create next, let me know. Do I look like the Asian version of KathleenLights now that we have the same eyeshadows? I know my lip color turned out to be completely different, but that's okay. Our focus today is on the eyeshadows. I want to know what you guys think, like if it's similar enough as far as the eyeshadows go. This is the main point today, okay? Let me know in the comments below if you like this look, or did I do a good job, or did I do a horrible job? Let me know, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Bye!